Oh, I popped my tire.
Hello guys, welcome to a video of me actually breaking down the prices of my motorized bicycle. I'm going to tell you how much it costed for me to build that. Is it really worth building one of these? That might be a question that a lot of people are asking. And can you actually use this as an everyday driver? And I actually brought my notebook where I take notes on how much I actually paid for this thing. I'm actually going to start out with the engine. The engine, I actually bought it for $199 specifically on sale. But if you were to get it regular price, it'd be $270. So this bicycle has not been ported or modified any. It's the stock engine, so has not been messed with, and therefore it doesn't have high RPMs. It's just stock. The extra carburetor and the exhaust. The carburetor was $20. The exhaust was $30. Those are the extra bits that are added onto it. Now, me personally, I wish I actually stuck with a stock carburetor, because the stock carburetor is actually better off than the HP carburetor, which requires to be jetted, and I'm not good at jetting. Also, the bicycle itself actually costed $98 that I got from Walmart, and so that's $100. There are a few things I'm not going to include in the total price. For example, I'm not going to include the light, and I'm also not going to include the helmet I bought to wear while also driving this bicycle, because I did not have a previous helmet, so I paid $30 for the helmet, which is totally optional, you don't need it, and I also paid $15 for that, which is also optional, you don't need it. So, this bike has some issues. I'm not going to, as a beginner, I messed up on a couple of things, as like the carburetor is not adjusted right. I tried to adjust it pretty good. The engine, it keeps bogging down. I didn't port it or anything, so the engine is bogging down whenever I get to a certain RPM. Problem I'm having is brakes, and that's my own fault. I bought new brakes, and I haven't installed them correctly, so this bicycle barely has any brakes, which is not a good thing when you're going like 30 miles an hour. This bicycle used to go like 35 miles an hour, but then now with the new carburetor, it boggles down at like 25. But that other one felt really fast last time I rode it. I think it actually is pretty fun, pretty safe for a bicycle. I'm here where I usually do some of my motorized bike test videos, and so this is a fitting place. I got the engine actually from bicycleengines.com. They have not sponsored. This engine is actually really reliable. Let's hit the trails. I wasn't recording. I need to make sure I'm actually recording this time. Hey, thank you. There's an old couch over there. Oh, shoot. I think I tore off my toenail. This is where I was on my last video. I hope no one decides to sue me over this, but this is just a bicycle. So I originally got the bicycle with a 44 tooth sprocket, but I actually bought a 36 tooth sprocket conversion kit for $20. Which is kind of expensive. So shipping for the engine was $30. What's that? I'm so out of shape.
Oh, I killed it. Ooh, killed it. Yeah, killed it. Hey, how's it going? Doing good? Yes, sir. Which way should I go? That's uphill, though. I'm gonna have to wash my tires. Dang it. Well, I'm gonna head back and turn around.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh, I popped my tire. Popped my tire.
One eternity later.
Busted the tire, so I had to walk all the way home, which is about 2 miles, I guess, which is rough. I hit a big rock and blew it out, and then so I couldn't really ride it anymore. So I'm tired. Okay, so in total, this bicycle costed me around $430, or more precisely, it's $427.83. Now that's that's for the engine being on sale. Now if the engine wasn't on sale, it would have been $515, but I got it on sale. So if I were to ever sell this thing, I would probably sell it for like $250 or $300, because this is just my first bike and it's no good. I mean, it gets the job done, it rides perfectly fine, but it just doesn't, it's not as fast as I would want it to, unless somebody would want to give more for it. Now I will have to buy extra tire, because the tire blew on me while riding the trails, and so I had to walk all the way home, but that's going to cost me around $20. Now I got another tube for these tires, and I should be able to either reuse. I should have brand new tires to put on there, but they're comfort tires and this is off-roading tires, so I don't know how that's going to fare for this bicycle. I do believe that this whole setup is worth it though, because you get 80 miles to a gallon of gas, because this tank only holds about half a gallon. So basically, I think it's worth it. I think it's a whole lot of fun. You do not have to necessarily go really fast on it. You can go slow and it still be as fun as any other electric bike. But I think it's a whole lot cooler than an electric bike, because it sounds amazing, and it's just runs a whole lot better. You don't have to charge it. You could actually just put some gas in it and go. Bicycle frame was actually too small for the engine to fit. Well, the engine fits fine, but the carburetor actually would have gotten stuck right there. So instead of actually drilling out a hole in the frame, I actually just made one of these intakes the curve a little bit, come out to the side. You could actually order curved ones online. I didn't want to do that. But basically, if you're going to get an engine, wait until it's on sale, because it's a whole lot cheaper, almost $100 cheaper. That's what I paid for. It was $200 for an 80cc engine like that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.